Okay. We're checking out the weather. Kind of a little scary. For the second time in 12 hours, we just had the tornado alarm go off on our phones. And it's starting to get windy. What do you think, Maddie? Pretty windy and pretty rainy. And Mom's still aren't moving. I don't know what's going on. All right, let's take a quick little... Mom's gotten smart. Umbrella. Yeah. What do you think, Maddie? Pretty rainy. I'm not sure about this one-handed umbrella hold thing. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, okay. Safety first. Yeah. Not when there's thunder. All right. Let's check out what's going on. Watch the wind. Good girl.